Hello students, good evening all of you. So in this video I will discuss the reaction of the cyanide with the Grignard reagent. Okay, of course it is a previous question, the last year 2020 September JEE main question this is. Okay, so here this cyanide on reaction with ethyl magnesium bromide followed by hydrolysis, then product A, and this product A on reaction with methyl magnesium bromide followed by hydrolysis gives a product B. The question is the number of chiral carbons in the product B. Okay, so here first of all let us try to know the reaction of the alkyl cyanide with the Grignard reagent. Okay, the reaction of the alkyl cyanide with the Grignard reagent is a little bit different from the esters, acid halides. Okay, see this one. So here first of all that any alkyl cyanide, your RC triple bond N, this one on reaction with the R dash MgBr. Okay, is a Grignard reagent. Just here I am explaining the general reaction of the alkyl cyanide and this Grignard reagent. Okay, so here there is a partial positive charge, partial negative charge. This is a polar group. So here R minus attacks on the C plus. So here R C double bond N minus here MgBr. Okay, because Mg plus 2 here Br minus 1. So remaining one is your R dash. Okay, now here in this case this molecule cannot be attacked furtherly with alkyl magnesium bromide. That is the main difference in the reaction of the alkyl cyanide with Grignard reagent. Okay, this alkyl group cannot attack because in this case this is the R minus. Okay, that is the R minus. So for the attacking of the R minus, this pi electron should be transferred to this nitrogen, towards nitrogen. But here this transfer of the pi electrons towards nitrogen becomes very difficult because already it carries a negative charge. So here by transfer of these pi electrons into this one for the creating a positive charge on this carbon is almost becomes difficult because already it is a negative charge that cannot attract the electrons. So here pi electrons cannot be transferred. So attacking of the R minus is not possible furtherly. Okay, so here it must be hydrolyzed. Okay, it must be hydrolyzed. That means here in acid medium, hydrolysis. So here in this case simply I am writing here double bond O, here two hydrogens. Okay, double bond O, two hydrogens. That means here imine actually. Okay, it is a imine type of compound. So on hydrolysis RC double bond O, here R dash plus here NH2 Mg Br. Of course here NH2 minus Mg plus 2 Br minus, that is the side product. So here the first of all the Grignard reagent on reaction with so alkyl cyanide and followed by hydrolysis will get the ketone. Okay, so of course if you add excess amount of the Grignard reagent, just this reaction is stopped at this stage. Okay, this one cannot be added to second mole of the Grignard reagent. For suppose if you take esters, okay, if you take esters or any acid halide, if you take ester or any acid halide, this one on reaction with alkyl magnesium bromide, Grignard reagent, here R minus attacks on this one, here transfer of pi electrons. So here in this case here O minus here alkyl group from the Grignard reagent, and next here alkoxy group as well as halogen. Okay, so acid halide or ester. Now here in this case there is a chance for the reformation of the pi bond, leaving of this group takes place. So here RC double bond O R. Okay, so here carbonyl compound is obtained, okay, without hydrolysis, but here carbonyl compound is obtained by the hydrolysis mode. So that means here in this case this Grignard reagent again attacks on this carbonyl carbon. So we will get the RCO minus here R and here R. By the hydrolysis, okay, this alkoxide is converted to alcohol. This alkoxide converted to alcohol. So that means here the acid halide or ester consume two equivalents of the Grignard reagent. Okay, consume two equivalents of the Grignard reagent. By adding excess of the Grignard reagent, ester or acid halide produce alcohol by consuming the two equivalents of the Grignard reagent. But here alkyl cyanide only consume one equivalent of the Grignard reagent. So it must be hydrolyzed to get the carbonyl compound. Okay, to get the carbonyl compound. Of course here Again, we can add a Grignard reagent to this carbon compound after hydrolysis. Okay. So until hydrolysis of this product, if you add excess amount of the Grignard reagent, nothing use. Okay. It cannot be added to this C double bond N. Okay. That's it. Because for the addition of this R minus on this C plus, this electrons must be transferred to this nitrogen. Already this is the negatively charged one, electron rich, so cannot transfer the electrons towards the nitrogen. So that's why here second mole of the Grignard reagent is not possible. That's why it must be hydrolyzed. Okay, so here that carbon compound is extracted. So if we add excess amount of the Grignard reagent, just that must be needed hydrolysis. So we'll get the carbonyl compound. Okay, that's it. Now here that this alkyl cyanide, okay, this alkyl cyanide on reaction with ethyl magnesium bromide followed by hydrolysis. So the product is this one, CH3, CH here, CH3, a C double bond O. This one is the ethyl group. Okay, this ethyl group from the Grignard reagent followed by hydrolysis. Okay, followed by hydrolysis. Now here in this case, again methyl magnesium bromide attacks on the carbonyl carbon followed by hydrolysis. So we'll get the alcohol as a final product. So CH, here CH3, this one becomes a OH and this is a ethyl and this is methyl. Now it is a chiral carbon, it is a chiral carbon, now it is a chiral carbon, it is also chiral carbon. So totally 4 chiral carbons are present in a final product B. Okay, so that is the main difference. Alkyl cyanides on reaction with methyl magnesium bromide produce the ketones. Acidic halides, esters on reaction with the Grignard reagent produce finally alcohol. Okay, that's it. That is the main difference. That is the reaction of the Grignard reagent with alkyl cyanide. Okay, thank you for watching. If you like, please share my video and please subscribe to my YouTube channel.